I was searching for a tutorial for designer braids, but on mini twist. Every time I get twists, I like to try different lock styles and see what I would wear if I had locks. I see a lot of two-trend twists, cornrows, and hybrids of the two, but I never saw like the hearts or the initials or any of the extremely intricate braid designs that are taking over the internet. When I tell you I searched Pinterest and Instagram daily, I mean it. I felt I couldn't live out my designer braid dream, but Pinterest saves. Literally, I saved this post. I have finally found a version of designer braids, and it consisted of barrel twists and a ponytail and crisscross pieces. Alright, but it was too late. I already had my hair done, and the parts weren't as fresh anymore. Would it still look good? Could I still pull this off? Wait, backtrack. Who's gonna do it? I'm no hairstylist. Can I really achieve such a difficult look? I guess the only way to find out is to mess around and find out. I started by sectioning my hair. First, I put the back of my hair into a ponytail. Then I put all of my hair up so that I can section out my front 4 pieces, which the ends of the front 4 will serve as my crisscross pieces, and the middle 2 will go into the ponytail. These front 4 can help me determine where my barrel rolls will lay and how many rows I want to put in those barrel rolls. I'm trying to keep checking the inspo picture just to make sure that the outcome matches what my vision is for this hairstyle. Once those pieces are down, I start to take out the twist that I'll be using in my barrel roll. I make sure that I count how many twists are on each side. That way the sides are even. After I'm done sectioning off my rows, I can then put the remaining hair into a ponytail. That way nothing gets mixed up and I don't get confused and it doesn't get overly complicated. I then begin to get my twists ready to be put in barrel rolls. And listen, don't worry if you have to do this a couple times. Practice truly does make progress, and I'll try my best to link some videos below that helped me throughout this. If this is your first time trying a style on yourself, I definitely recommend giving yourself some time to do this. I'd say anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, just so that you can take it slow, take deep breaths if need be, and just relax and have fun throughout the process. Now, I know I just told y'all to take your time. I know. But I'm going to speed this up so that you can see the rest of the tutorial in a timely manner. In this clip, I actually started over because I wasn't really feeling the results. And that's okay. It's perfectly fine if you start over. At the end of the day, you want to be satisfied with the results because you're the one who's going to be wearing this style. Just for some context, I'm just putting those middle 2 front pieces out of the 4 I put down back into that ponytail because that's where they're going to be for the rest of the style. Once you reach the end of your barrel roll, you want to secure that with the small rubber band. I suggest tying it until it feels tight enough to you. I probably tied mine around like maybe 6 or 8 times. And then you want to adjust your ponytail in the back to include that barrel roll that you just finished, because that's where both of the barrel rolls will end up once it's all said and done. And go ahead and check out your work, because you know it's looking fly. You know it, you know it. Now we'll be repeating the same thing on my right side. And then we're putting that barrel twist into the larger ponytail as well. Hi friends, so this is how I did the cross. Let me pluck them out. So I decided to do my, what's this? Left side under my right side. So I first have my left strand down and I cross it over to where I want it to be. I like it closer to my ponytail, so like that. And then I find the part where I put the rubber band on this barrel twist and I go underneath it and pull it up with my other hand. And if I need assistance, I just use the other hand to pull it all the way through. And then that's one part. Do the same thing on this side. Find where the rubber band is, tuck it, and then pull it through. And that's how you do the crisscross. You may have to adjust it to make it to your liking. You could also use bobby pins, but I noticed that those show. So if you're cool with that, then that's your business. But me, I just wanted to tuck it so that if I wanted to change it, I could. Cool beans? Cool beans. Here's another look at the final result. This clip shows how you can use bobby pins for this look as well. It's just they show a little bit more than the rubber band show. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Bye!